Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please watch out this short natural haircut that take years off, not by hiding anything but by highlighting what matters. One thing about the style today is they're easy to care for and they are not boring. I want you guys to go for this beautiful classic short natural haircut because it's cute, it's simple to wear, and you can see it looks presentable without needing those hot tools. And one good thing about this haircut today is that you can mix the clean outline of the skirt with the softness of a longer layers, and it's a great fit, for women who really love a little tomboy energy but still wanna have that touch of polish. Isn't this hair looking so beautiful? You can see how it really works wonders if your hair is thick, and it's a haircut that will always look neat even when you air dry. And you can see how the upkeep is just minimal. I love this style because it brings easy volume to your thinning hair, and it gives that natural lift and a signature rounded shape to your thin strands. So this is a hairstyle that is so versatile and is easy to maintain. Please guys, I would like you to please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time here in Winnie Styles, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye.